Bank Nifty is opening 128 points up and Nifty is opening 42 points up. Nifty might be the outperformer today. I'm just waiting. It's going up with low volume. The put premiums were very high yesterday. Placed an order for Bank Nifty. There seems to be some problem with execution. Yeah, it is reflecting, but for some reason it delayed. Okay. 31,500 moved from 200 almost to 290, which is brilliant. I'm just waiting for yesterday's high in 18,000. Bank Nifty is extremely bullish. But Nifty is not taking it the way it is supposed to. Bank Nifty is almost at the all-time high. There must be a lot of open and highs on the put side. I think I'll exit Nifty. I'll wait for a better trade. I think Bank Nifty has the potential to go taken 1,000 quantity this time. Let's see. Nifty is being more bullish. I think it's because of Reliance. Okay, Infi is down. That could be one reason why Nifty is not performing. If it doesn't, then I'll exit it as quick as possible. This Bank Nifty is rolling. Nifty is going, but there's no volume associated with it. Bank Nifty is just pushing every level on the upside. We exited 500 quantity at 117. Exited all. I will concentrate on Bank Nifty. I don't think Nifty is a good trade for me. But there are open and highs. This has an open and high of 367, which is showing 95%. Nifty, it has 18,000 put, also has open and high. Now the call premiums are higher. Okay, they've adjusted. X is moving higher. The open and high is the all-time high for Bank Nifty is 41,662. Now it's at 41,820. Now it already touched 820. It went to 855. Made a new high for sure. Bought this at 198. Not expecting a big target, just a small pullback. Nope. Nifty looks dicey. It's not breaking yesterday's high. But I'll wait for a good trade. This is the spike I'm looking for. One small down move. I can capture it. Might retrace from the VWAP. I'm exiting some. Exited at 210, but it got triggered at 205. Exited all. $188 to 205 something. It made a high of 220. Yeah, they're just pulling it up to write it again. This has a probability to go up. It's taken 1000 quantity at 235. Don't think it's sustaining. Exited that trade. Somehow feeling that the put trade can give me a better profit. Because after that big rally, there can be a small exhaustion that can happen. But I'm waiting for it to break the VWAP because I'm going to buy this. Okay, about 15,000 quantity, 215. It's not breaking the VWAP. wanted to close below the V bar, no swift downward. If that happens, then I can see the move. He is already in its downward. Yeah, since there's no strength in the market to go down, I'm expecting that profit booking to come. We've seen 270. And high is a probability, but you cannot expect it to go and exactly hit that. Let's see. Placed a mirror at 275, did not get triggered. It's exactly at yesterday's high. Exited 500 quantity at 280. It's coming down with volume, so I'm just waiting for a second candle. Minute candle should be good because it's exactly negating the whole first candle. Now we've got 90% probability on that. This is going to 310. $18,000 PE has hit the open and high, which is brilliant. Exiting some at 300. Let's see if it triggers that. Nope. It's almost there. Yeah, I have the last 250 quantity left. $65,000 profit so far. It's reversing from here. So yeah, I would exit this 260. So I was looking at this open and high, but just went there and reversed quickly. That is amazing. But the reason I was on the put side is because from the morning, the market is unable to make a new high. It is going there again. It's congestion. It's having a congestion. The bullish candles are not strong after the first two candles. So I was expecting it to give a fall. And since we have the open and high, I was confident on that. So we booked from 215 to 280 and 300. $18,100 is a very big resistance in Nifty. But Bank Nifty somehow is very bullish. Axis and Indocent are negative. Let's wait to see if they can turn positive. Look at this. The way it went, then they're writing it. They're only taking it up to pull it down. That's the order of the day. They'll take the put premiums up and then push it down. Now they're adjusting the prices. I'll wait until this range is taken out on either side. Nifty was a wonderful trade. I believe all the open and highs in Nifty got hit. Absolutely. Okay, I'm expecting another move in Bank Nifty looking at the 5-minute time frame. I took a little early entry. I took it at 270. Five minutes is bearish, but I can exit few at 270 and if needed I can re-enter. Waiting for the 5-minute candle to close. I should have taken the trade after the candle closed, but I jumped into the trade. So I'm just waiting for the impulse move to come. I could exit 500 quantity if I'm not comfortable. Yeah, it's again taking it back up. Should have taken the candle close entry. To 70. Okay, they're not letting the price move. So I wanted to exit some. I don't think it's giving me the chance to. Lost 20 points there. Yeah, since it's a bullish market, it's not not able to pull down properly. They're writing this big time. Should be careful for my entries because I should take entries after candle close. Okay, the call and put premiums are just here. Same on both the sides. We have to be careful. The option pricing is okay. We have maximum OI built up on the 41,700 strike. 41,500 has a lot of put OI built up. 42,000 call OI is huge. 41,500 call and put OI is almost similar. 41,500 call OI is being built up. Okay. They are not reducing the positions yet. Seeing some unwinding happening. But overall, 41,800 calls are having huge premium. And as of today, 41,800 calls are being written aggressively. The reason being is the day high is 41,840 as of today, which is also close to all-time high. So we can see some action happening there because same day it would not cross. The 5-minute time frame is looking good for a put trade, but I'll only take a trade after the candle close. There's a wick forming. Look at this. It's going from a bullish candle to a bearish candle, but I would only take a trade if this line is crossed, because it's already within the no trade zone, which is between VWAP and the super trend. So I would avoid. Nifty is in the congestion zone. It is still not sure where to go. But Bank Nifty needs to, on the downside, this could be a support because this is where it retraced. But this would be the first immediate support, which is the opening. I would wait out. The big players are somehow writing all the OTM calls, which is indicating a down move, but it's always better to wait and take since I've already captured good amount of points on this strike. Taken it at 265 and 268. So my average would come at 266. The two looks like the down move is possible. They're trying to break the super trend. Set it at 320. some reason it is quickly reversing from the high that it's making. I'm expecting the open and high to be hit today, which is 367. 330. 340. 350. Exited more. Exited all. The open and high is beautifully hit. Then we could, yeah, 1,20,000 done for the day. Since the beginning, my view was bearish because the all-time high was hit and the market was not sustaining with good bullish candles. They are always having wicks. Once they broke the VWAP, I took the trade, and then the congestion happened again. It broke the super trend, and the day's low was where the open and high got hit. 267 was the open and high. We took it at 268 and we exited 368. Almost made a 100 points on this.